A phone is no longer just a device for texting or making calls. We access online services and social media accounts through these tiny devices. We also store a lot of personal stuff in them, such as photos and videos. Sadly, hackers are aware of this. But let's outsmart them. In this video, we will explain how to know if your phone is hacked and how to mitigate such threats. So what are the signs that your phone has been hacked? Let's look at them one by one. Number 1, you notice stuff you don't recognize on your phone. For example, if you see suspicious apps you don't remember downloading, strange text messages, purchases you didn't make, or suspicious phone calls, there is a high chance that your phone has gotten infected with malware. Number 2, your phone works slowly. Also, you notice that it uses more battery power and heats up faster than usual. It could be due to malware running in the background and draining your phone's power. Number 3, you notice mysterious data usage spikes. Malicious software can use your mobile data while running its background processes. Number 4, your phone acts weird. Apps don't run, or it switches off, or crashes unexpectedly. If you notice photos or videos you didn't remember taking, it's possible that your phone camera has been hacked. Number 5, annoying ads and pop-ups appear. If you notice suspicious pop-ups and ads appearing and cluttering your interface, it's a serious red flag. Usually, malicious adware floods users with ads that can seriously compromise your device if you click on them. But what should you do next? Is there a way to get rid of cybercriminals meddling with your phone? Well, here are a few tips. First, change your passwords immediately because there is a chance they've been compromised. Furthermore, use strong passwords for proper safety. You can use our NordPass tool to store them securely. Also, you should run anti-malware software to detect and remove all malicious apps and processes. Just make sure the software you choose is reliable. We strongly recommend NordVPN's new Threat Protection Lite feature because it will prevent you from landing on malicious websites and will block ads. However, this tool won't remove malware already present in your device, but it will lower the risk of getting your device infected in the future. Another good thing to do is to turn off your mobile data and Wi-Fi and stop broadcasting your personal hotspot. Doing so can temporarily disrupt the activities of malicious apps and processes. Of course, if you notice a suspicious app, you should immediately delete it. However, the removal process is not always easy, so here's our guide on how to delete those apps. You should also inform your contacts of all the potential suspicious activity you have experienced and warn them not to open any suspicious links. Cybercriminals can send these from your phone to people you know. If your phone has become impossible to use, restoring your phone to its factory setting could be your last resort. This is a nuclear option, so use it only in cases when nothing else works. Check out our guide to restoring factory settings for different operating systems. Hopefully these steps will help you fend off the wrongdoers. But you should never forget the general safety precautions. Don't click on suspicious links and ads. Don't download apps from suspicious sources. Use proper security software. And of course, get a VPN for constant safety. Stay safe. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Liked our video? Then check out these ones too.